Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're whipping up a super simple yet delicious side dish, stir-fried asparagus in butter with garlic and oyster sauce. This quick and flavorful recipe is perfect for adding a pop of umami to your meal. Let's dive in. Once you've got your asparagus prepped, slice up a couple of cloves of garlic. Don't go too crazy here, we want garlic, but not overwhelming. Heat up your pan over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil. I'm using sesame oil for a bit of extra flavor, but you can stick to olive oil or whatever you have on hand. Once that's hot, throw in your garlic and let it saute for about 30 seconds. You want it to become fragrant, but be careful not to burn it. Now, add your asparagus. Toss it around to make sure every stalk gets a nice coating of that garlicky goodness. Let it cook for about 3-4 minutes until it starts to soften, but still has a bit of crunch. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt and coat the asparagus. Trust me, the richness from the butter really brings everything together. Now for the secret ingredient, oyster sauce. Add a tablespoon and mix it in. This is what gives the dish that deep umami flavor. It's savory, slightly sweet, and just the perfect finishing touch. So good. The garlic really pops, and that oyster sauce gives it such a deep, savory richness. I could eat this all day. And there you have it, stir-fried asparagus in butter with garlic and oyster sauce. A simple, delicious dish that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes. See you next time.